it's Tiffany. Welcome back to my channel. I have something super fun to share with you. My friends over at Playmobil sent me this really neat package. It even has my blog on it. How cool is that? It says, from Playmobil 1, 2, 3 Aqua, splish, splash, time for a bath. To play, live, repeat from your friends at Playmobil. I feel so special. Thank you so much to Playmobil for sending me these cool new sets to unbox for you for free. Now, I have two boys. I'm not going to show them this video. I just wanted to give you an idea of how to set these up and how to play. So let's get started. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you found this review and unboxing helpful. So let's get down to it. So I'm filming in my bathroom today, which is something I very rarely do, but I made it all nice and bright in here so you guys can get an idea. But I have 3 sets to share with you, and there are 3 sets in the line that I'm going to be talking about. It is the Playmobil 1, 2, 3 Aqua sets. Now, these are ideal for kiddos ages 1.5 to 4 years old. Each of these sets come with individual pieces that can stick to your tile walls. So just think about this for bath time play. You could use this for outdoor play if you wanted to, if you had maybe like one of those like little like water tables. This is great because these are all waterproof Playmobil toys. So let me get them unboxed so you get a better idea. And the slide is $16.99. So really good price points here. This is a water Seesaw with boat. It is number 70635. You can like make up like your own like rescue mission, maybe slide down the slide and land in the boat, whatever you want. A lot of fun. Again, fine motor skills are going to be tested here and honed, cognitive skills, and a lot of creativity. We hear this little boy with a whale in his shirt. Then looks like a mommy Playmobil figure. She has a seagull in her shirt. Cool little octopus. Woo! And we have this boat. Super cute. I love that it has this little toggle here, this little tugger. It actually collects water and water will actually drip out. It's not a squirter. If you are really like a stickler with your bath toys like I am, you can just stick this upside down and it'll just let all the water come out. So actually the water comes from the bottom. The water slide with sea animals, number 70637. Putting this one together, this is the Playmobil 1, 2, 3 slide. This is a real breeze. You just attaching the suction cups to the slide and then to this little shelf here that also acts as a little scooper. You also get a little handheld scooper, and kids love doing that inside the bath. They love scooping things and finding things. You have another one of these little water octopus that you can fill up with water and the water will drip out. Then we have another little fishy right here. Looks like he can take in water as well. And this little boy that has a shark on his shirt. And then we have like this puffer fish. Super cute. Number 70636 is $16.99. It has a little shark wheel, which is so super cute. And this is for stage 3, so it's going to help your toddler develop some cognitive skills, fine motor skills, all while having like a fun water play experience. This one is the most simple to put together, but actually looks like the most fun. We have this cute little purple shark. He's so stinking cute. Then we have this little cup here with a little spout. And what's great about this is that we have the suction on the back. Well, just attached itself, but I'll reattach it. Has a suction on the back. We have this open and closed door with a little clear fish on it. So you could open it up. Your kiddos could even put like little treasures inside if they wanted to. Or you can put the little boy inside. There's a little scuba diver in here. Close that door. And then you just attach this to the tile in your bathtub, and then they can use this water to move this adorable little wheel around. This is so cute. All right, let's see how they look in the bathtub. This little wheel set came with the cup and the shark. So let's see how easy it is for kiddos to open and close it without it falling down. It's not falling down or anything, which is good. And it fits this little scuba diver dude. And then we have the little shark here. So cute. Now let's check out and see how this wheel turns. Whee! Whee! So fun. Now kids can really study and work on like trial and error. Like what's gonna happen if we do this with the shark? Yeah, he's gonna fall off. And then kids can just work on their fine motor skills and try to scoop up the shark There's the shark. Let's try to scoop him up. Let's see if we can find him. We got the shark, and let's see if we can spill it. Whee! With the shark in it. Wheel set, the Aqua wheel set. Your child is going to develop cognitive and fine motor skills, all while having a great water play experience. So much fun. Really, really fun toy to play with. Now, if you only wanted to buy just one, I would recommend this one. Honestly, kids love dumping water out, and this sticks to your side of the tub beautifully. It's perfect. I didn't do any prep work. I just, my tub is just clean, and that's it, and that's all. Super fun. Now let's move on to the slide. This is the Playmobil 1-2-3 Aqua water slide. Now this set is really, really great because it comes with your own little handheld scooper, little boy Playmobil figure, and you have 3 of these adorable aquatic animals like pufferfish, an octopus, and this other striped tigerfish. I guess it's a tigerfish, I'm not sure. However, this is so stinking cute because we have this little holder right here, and it does hold a lot. It has holes at the bottom so it can drip and drain. Don't put this directly underneath it, obviously, because it's just going to collect water. However, this is super fun because kids can scoop inside of the water with the scooper, and this helps strengthen their fine motor skills, which is great. Also, you got to work on cognitive ability here. So this is a great toy to play in the water. You can also use this in tandem with the wheel. You can try and line them up, maybe turn the wheel by dropping one of the fish down the slide. Maybe it hits the wheel. Who knows? The possibilities are endless. You can also open up the wheel and put one of the characters from the slide inside so he can have fun and go for a spin as well. So all Playmobil toys are all interchangeable with each other. But what I love about these sets is that there's just so much fun and play and educational value here. So not only are the kiddos having fun while getting clean, but they're also strengthening all of these motor skills. We have cognitive ability that's going to be increased here, trial and error. So kids will slide down the slide, look for innovative and new ways to play. And what's great is that all of these are able to collect water, and then the water easily gets dumped out. So if you wanted to dry them, just turn them upside down, they'll all drip dry. Then when playtime is over, kiddos can help clean up by scooping up their toys and placing them inside of the little tray. This is the Playmobil 1-2-3 Aqua Seesaw set. Now this set is super duper cute, and you don't have to stick this to your tile in order to play with this. This is a water seesaw with a boat. Comes with this cute little tugboat. Now this is a great toy to help promote and develop important developmental skills like encouraging fine motor skills, cognitive skills, encourage creativity, you name it, this has got it. Now what's great about this is that this can just sit in the water. And because it floats, it's great for sitting up, water play. It's great for new bath time. Have kids who just recently started having bath times. This is great because you don't want to fill that tub up with too much water. So you have this fun toy that will help float with them. Now, this is also going to help with a lot of spatial awareness as well, because kids are going to have to try and figure out how we can teeter-totter this collection of Playmobil characters. Now what's super cool too is that we have this little door that opens and closes. So there's a lot of curiosity here that can be fulfilled. And because it floats, we can put all of the little figures on there and they can go for a little ride around the bathtub. And what's also cool is that we have this fun little boat. So the figures can go inside the boat right over here. Child can pull it around. Whee! There's a lot of fun pretend play here as well. And then we have this cute little squid. He fills up and you could dump out the water. Super easy, super fun. And I just love how all of these toys are all interchangeable. You can always include other sets from Playmobil 1-2-3 to help strengthen the play, to help broaden the play, and to help just create more ways to play. Super fun. Okay guys, that is basically the rundown of 3 of the Playmobil 1-2-3 Aqua sets that I received for free from Playmobil. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Also want to hear which is your favorite one. I love this wheel one, not only because it's just so much fun, just because it just works so well. And I'm really, really impressed with the suction here. You can easily remove these sets to clean them off, and they will just stick right back on pretty much anywhere you put them. And they're not like super hard to take off or really, really hard to put back on. So I find that as a big plus, especially when you have like 5-year-olds in the bath and they just want to play and just not have to deal with all the mechanics of how the toy actually gets stuck to the wall. They just want to play. And I find that really, really cool. So let me know what you think of it in the comments below. I will be definitely recommending this on my blog, so definitely check me out on playliverepeat.com. And you can also find me on Amazon, where I share unboxing videos and reviews and live streams of all my favorite products, including toys. Yes, I love toys. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching, and thank you so much to Playmobil for sending me these cool new sets for free to unbox and review for you. Have a great day.